guys, Kim here, and you are tuned into Kim E, the Diabetes MP, a place where nurse practitioners can come and learn more about diabetes education and management. Today, we're going to keep moving forward in our 5-part series of the holidays and the diabetic. I came up with an acronym to help our patients map out a great holiday season in spite of having their disease, their diagnosis of diabetes, and that acronym is M.A.P.S. We're going to map out a great holiday for them. Last week we went over the M, which was moderation. Today we're going to go over the first A because, again, I did not spell M.A.P.S as it's supposed to be spelled. I added an extra A, so there's 2 A's. But today we're going to go over the first A, which is adherence. Adherence to treatment and medications, okay? This is very important, okay? Especially at the end of the year, especially as we go into the holiday season. We need to make sure that our patients are adherent to their care plan. So if you would like to learn more, stay tuned. We're going to get into it. So, when it comes to the holidays, there's something about the holidays that we all kind of go on this mental break. I think because this is a time of the year where a lot of people are taking time away from school, they're taking time away from work, and so it's just quite naturally we all take mental breaks. Not just our patients, we do as well. And because of this, we're going to have to keep this in mind when we're dealing with our patients and when it comes to adherence, okay? First things first, as a provider, you want to tie up loose ends, okay? Now, because of the holidays, you're going to have different office hours. You're maybe closed on some days. You may close early. You may have some half days. For one, your patients need to know when those office hours are, the holiday hours are. But then you also need to make sure as a provider that you're not leaving your patients hanging when it comes to their medication refills. That right there will help a ton when it comes to medication adherence and treatment plan adherence. Any referrals that they may be going to or needing to go to while they're away from your office, you want to make sure all those things are taken care of. And I believe that goes without saying, but I did want to mention it. Now, again, this may be very obvious and may be very obvious to us as providers, but we can't assume. We need to make sure that we actually state to our patients, continue to take your medicines as prescribed. You're not on a break from your medications, and make sure that you continue to monitor your blood sugar. And to be quite honest with you, you may even want to take your blood sugars a little bit more often than you usually do, especially as the actual holiday comes, the actual day comes. You may want to take your blood sugar maybe a couple of times more. And as the provider, write in a prescription so they can have those extra strips and supplies to be able to do that. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you. Again, this is a 5-part series. So if you're interested in seeing the full series, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you also ding that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. If by chance you happen to miss the video from last week, go ahead, go back and watch that. I'll link it in the description box below. Also, definitely want to mention my new course, the Diabetes Med Bootcamp. It is a course that goes over every drug class that treats diabetes. It will take you about 3 hours, a little over 3 hours to complete, and it comes with over 3 hours of continuing education that's accredited through A.A.P.S. You'll get contact hours as well as pharmacology hours. If you want to learn more about that course, you can check the description box below. Again, you have been sitting here with Kim E, the Diabetes MP, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.